understanding structure. So here we have a lot of annotations to describe the fractals of the patterns, breaking down, showing us how the market show intention before providing key locations for positioning and execution. So every candle has to be observed as a mirror of the whole. One candle has open for a bullish candle, close. Notice how the open is lower in price value, 132, 163. It closed higher. The highest point was around 132.22, and the lowest point was around 132.10. That candle represents a variation of many other candles, which is a fragment of the whole. Now, because of the fractal nature of price, then we can look at each high and lows as structure. When the price is creating wicks and closing higher without fulfilling the candle, like this type of candle, right? This bearish engulfing candle. When the price is showing this type of sign, it shows that there is a bullish structure, right? Because it's pushing the price up, bullish. And when that level gets broken by a bearish engulfing candle, it's a sign and information to tell us that there is probability that the price is going to continue lower. Therefore, observe the highs. The highs. Why? Because they will grab liquidity before creating that push that we all want. So as soon as this candle is closed, you start to map out the highs because you know there will be liquidity that will be targeted. Once you mark up the highs, you start by marking up the open and the close price because there will also be fractal liquidity that can be targeted. You wait for the market to return on these liquidity points and you allow yourself to position. You understand? So once you position yourself, maybe somewhere here, on the while this candle is open, so you have to look at this candle. So while this candle is open, you already have to be aware of what you're expecting the price to do, knowing that this type of candle is likely being created. Therefore, do not wait for it to close. If you want the best price, you have to be able to try to enter here or here before the candle closes, so that when it closes, you trust that because you are in the right location, the price should close like this, which will put you in profit instantly. And then we hope for the best because again, each candle is neutral. And then the buyers and the sellers are deciding who is going to win that balance within the next time frame, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, monthly, regardless. But everything is a fragment of the same thing. So we find the 30 minutes a nice time frame to showcase how often and how fragmented this is, because it allows us to notice what was missed before. So for example, look at what we are identifying here, because it's very important. The intention for going higher was presented right here when this candle broke above, because in real time, this is what matters. The last two. They're advancing in pairs and it's like a competition. Who is going to lead? So he's already showing sign that we are about to break this level at least, so go higher. You know what I mean? It's like a weaken this level. Now, what do we say? As soon as this is a sign, we target liquidity. Okay, that's the low. So as soon as this candle is closed, you can already target the low as your entry point, because you are expecting price to go higher and you are buying at a discount. Because your first sign and your first clue was this fractal breaking its companion, showing that I came after you, but my intention is to go higher. Therefore, I'm going to grab liquidity to show a sign of support and then take you with me so that we can contribute in the abundance transmission for our people.